working on academic research and received an ENX file. This is a compressed reference library from the most widely used citation management tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to import and work with these EndNote library files. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult ENX files, you need a plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. ENX files are compressed. EndNote library files created by EndNote, the reference management software, by Clarivate Analytics. They contain bibliographic reference collections with citation, data abstracts, author information, journal details, keywords, PDF attachments, and custom groups organized for academic research and manuscript preparation. EndNote ENX compressed library files use a proprietary archive format containing the EndNote database file with reference records, PDF attachments, custom groups, smart group definitions, and library metadata. The format enables portable sharing of complete reference libraries between researchers and across different computers. The specific reading module for ENX files is provided by EndNote from Clarivate. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated software. Windows can only offer simple previews, so true editing requires appropriate document applications. Let's find the specific program that understands the file structure. Right-click the ENX file and hit Open with, Test EndNote if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If your ENX file will not open, do not worry. This format is tricky. Since the ENX file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, importing into EndNote. Launch EndNote and import the ENX file using File, then Open Library or File, then Import. If the file is a compressed library, ENX format, EndNote extracts and opens the complete library with all references, groups, and attachments. References appear in the library window, organized by their original group structure. Next, browsing references. In EndNote, browse references by scrolling the library list or using search and smart groups to filter by author, year, journal, keyword, or other fields. Click any reference to view its full details in the preview panel. Open attached PDFs directly from the reference record for reading and annotation. Finally, exporting citations. Export references from EndNote and various bibliography formats using File, then Export. Choose from RSBibTeX, XML, or formatted bibliography styles for inclusion in manuscripts. Use the Cite While You Write plugin to insert citations directly into Microsoft Word documents with automatic bibliography generation in thousands of journal styles. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.